Hello there. This video is to demonstrate the automatic system generation functionality of Helios. You might be looking at automating your custom manual business structures and processes that are unique to your organization. Probably modernizing a legacy application that's difficult to change or upgrade and probably lacks support too. You might also be finding it difficult, expensive, and time-consuming to customize an existing, commercially out-of-the-box solution, or even rationalizing and optimizing your existing application's landscape. Whatever might be the scenario, Helios helps you to extract business definitions, interpret their structures, relations, and data types, and build a system for you, totally automatic. Not just that, Helios migrates your data too. Helios is a lightweight, rapid application development platform that lets you build your unique organizational needs in exactly the way you want. With Helios, you can drag and drop your application from scratch or migrate from another application or data source. Let's now demonstrate migrating a simple legacy quality control system residing on a legacy database. Getting a little deeper into the quality structures around bug tracking functionality and its related artifacts, the system carries these business definitions. An issue probably carrying a unique ID, a module it's raised against, a detailed description, its severity, priority, impact on the system, its current status, and many more such custom attributes. It can carry related attachments to describe the bug a little more. An image, a file, a video snippet, or a reference document are a few examples. It can be referenced to the described test cases and can relate to a few original requirements. This issue probably was discussed in meetings, decisions taken, and actions recorded from various stakeholders. It can carry a simple life cycle or a workflow from its creation to closure. These are the legacy business structures and processes that we want to migrate to Helios. Again, it need not be a database. A data dump or a simple data based from Excel sheets could be a starting point for Helios. Let's now see how to connect, interpret, and extract the data structures. Log in to the Albatross Data Migrator and choose the data source. Among several database sources listed, choose the SQL database where the quality control structures are present. Among all the data definition tables present, choose the quality control subset. From the data model, choose attributes necessary for migration. Save all your choices until now. Inspect your data for any discrepancies and proceed to export. We will choose an Excel export for our demonstration here. Now that we have extracted data to designated directories, let's see how to transform the dataset if needed based on custom business rules. This step is completely optional and can be skipped if you do not have any transformation needs for your data. Log into the Albatross Manager for transforming and generating your quality system. You are presented with options to select different transformations needed to handle typical migration cases for special characters, missing references, duplicates, incorrect formats, and so on. Now you can launch the mapper to transform the data, enabling it to fit between the source and destination systems. On inspecting the exported data, it is segregated into object, relationships, and file definitions ready for loading. Also, the file format resolutions for corresponding viewer associations have been done. Further loading options for the administrator can be tweaked based on your needs. Now, the system generation has started. The structures, database operation APIs, user interface, validations, relations, file vaulting, access controls, dynamic analytics, structure viewers, search controls, and menu elements are all being auto-generated. All your quality data is being migrated too. That's it. Your enterprise system is built your data is migrated and it's ready for use. Before seeing the actual system, let's see some of the features that were auto-generated for you. The complete data structures for the issue tracking system, related user interface with automatic field validations, the related structural channels and UI for test cases, requirements, and meeting minutes. Advanced data grids with virtualization for blazing data speeds, search, sort, filter, grouping, and other operations, that too with granular user-based access control. All typical add, edit, delete, version control, history, and audit tracking data operations are configured. Files are documented, vaulted, and kept secure with associated viewer formats based on the file types. Would you like inbuilt dynamic analytics and visual tree navigators on your new system? Helios has already done that for you. We'll see that in a moment. Not just that, from this point onwards, Helios is totally configurable and extendable to your further unique enterprise needs. Imagine, configure, and extend your systems. No limits. It presents a what you see is what you get drag and drop feature set to tailor your system to your unique needs. I'm sure you're now contrasting this with the traditional software development cycles. Now let's see the quality system you just built live. The issue portal with all related entities are bound as a unit based on the relation interpretation from the legacy database. Forms are generated with pre-built validations based on the dataset conditions. Complete history of the record activities, impact based on various functionalities, and version controls are built in. Advanced search controls, self-serve dynamic analytics, the data from the legacy system is loaded and is available for all the Helios users based on access control definitions. The system you just saw was completely auto-generated without any coding and does not need any testing. Your application is integration ready to connect to other external systems in your organization. How is Helios better than traditional software development? Using Helios, you typically develop the application in days or weeks and not months or years. You save substantially both on implementation and maintenance costs. Business analysts using Helios craft complex business functions mostly by dragging, dropping, and configuring Helios with no coding. Helios is horizontal enough to reach and cater to all the departments of your organization. Experience quicker, cost-effective, and reliable solutions with Helios. Happy digitizing! Please visit criussoftware.com for more details. If you have any queries, please write to info@criussoftware.com. Thank you. Have a great day.